The video lecture on the course Op Amp and Linear Integrated Circuit. In this session, we will be discussing the IC voltage regulators. In the previous sessions, we have seen the DC voltage regulators by using the Op Amp. Now, in a very simple part, a small device, a integrated circuit, can also be used as a voltage regulator. So there are many advantages of this IC voltage regulators compared to the conventional circuit of a DC voltage regulators. What are the advantages of IC voltage regulators? First one, it is very easy to use since it is a small compatible device. It is very easy to handle it. It greatly simplifies power supply design due to the mass production. The cost is very low. IC voltage regulators are versatile, conveniently used for load regulation. These are provided with features like built-in protection, programmable output, current or voltage boosting, internal short circuit current limiting, etc. So these are some of the advantages of IC voltage regulators. There are many IC voltage regulators available depending upon the range of output voltage they are going to provide. The classification of IC voltage regulators. IC voltage regulators are classified into broadly three categories. First one is a fixed voltage regulators where the output voltage is fixed, adjustable voltage regulators where the output voltage can be adjusted, and switching regulators which are mainly used in power electronic circuits for switching on and off the systems. These are called the switching. So in this session we will be seeing the fixed voltage regulators, and in the next session we will be dealing with the adjustable voltage regulators. So block diagram of IC voltage regulator. This is the block diagram of a IC voltage regulator which consists of a comparator, a series pass transistor, and mainly this IC voltage regulators has three terminals. The input voltage V in the terminal, the output voltage V out terminal, and the common terminal which is the ground terminal. So in this case now, as we have seen the block diagram of a DC voltage regulator, the entire part is involved in this particular part. Control element, that is a series pass transistor switch, the sampling network, feedback sampling network, the reference part, and the comparator part. The thermal shutdown means that the chip IC will automatically turn itself off if the internal temperature exceeds 175 degrees centigrade, and current limiting is nothing but it is a circuit which turns off the IC automatically when the current exceeds a particular value limit to this particular IC regulator. So these are the inbuilt protection what we can say in a IC voltage regulator. The symbolic representation of IC voltage regulator is as in this particular form. It the three as three terminals: the input terminal, output terminal, and the common terminal, the ground terminal. What we consider the capacitor C in is required if regulator is located at an appreciable distance, more than 5 cm from the filter, and the capacitor C0 improves the transient response of the regulator. This capacitor also reduces the noise present at the output. The difference between the input voltage and output voltage, that is V in minus V naught, is called the drop voltage, or we can consider it as V naught minus V in, which is the drop. So seeing the fixed voltage regulator, that is IC 7805. 7805 is the important series here what we can say, and these are all positive voltage regulators. The block diagram and the pin diagram configuration of 7805 regulator is as shown. As 78 series is the are the positive voltage regulators. This is going to deliver a output voltage of 5 volt. Well, the 5 in the 7805 indicates the output voltage 7805, and for a negative voltage required we use the IC 79 series. 7905 is going to provide a minus 5 volt fixed voltage. So in this case now, in term pin number 1 of the IC is the input pin, pin number 2 is the ground pin, and pin number 3 is the output pin. The maximum input voltage which can be applied to this IC is 35 volts. We have to limit the input voltage within this particular range, and the maximum drop voltage for this is 2.5 volt, and the output of 7805 is a fixed which is 5 volt, and the minimum input required for this is 5 plus 2.5, that is the drop voltage, which is equal to 7.5 volt. So minimum of 7.5 volt has to be given to this IC to give its proper 5 volt voltage at the output. If the input voltage is lesser than this, then the appropriate output is not achieved at this particular part. So this is speaking on terms of a positive fixed voltage regulator. If we want a negative fixed voltage regulator, then we have to use a IC 7905, that is a 79 series. 7905 is going to give a minus 5 volt fixed supply. So in this case, these ICs are used for fixed regulators, fixed voltage regulators, what we can see. Thank you for watching this video.